Kings River Live magazine at Rogue Festival in Fresno. And who am I talking to?
I'm Catherine Glover from Minneapolis, Minnesota.
And your show is?
A girl walks into a bar.
Tell me about it.
Well, I walk into a bar and the audience also walks into the bar and I tell stories and they listen to the stories and we have drinks and we laugh and everyone leaves feeling uplifted and more positive about life.
And how did you come up with this show?
Oh, well, I came up with the show because I didn't write a regular show that, you know, is like a single story from beginning to end, and I didn't have a new show, and so I emailed Renee, one of the heads of the Rogue, and I said, I'm dropping out, and then Day, the other head of the Rogue, called me and said that if I dropped out, she would cry, and she'd know I didn't love her anymore, and so I decided to just take a bunch of random stories that I have and some new pieces I've been working on and like mix them up in a big bowl and say, haha, it's a show! So that is how it came to be.
Well, it sounds fun. When and where will you be?
It opens today, Friday at 8:30 p.m. at the Starline, and it's also a bunch of other times. Tomorrow at 1, that's Saturday the 2nd at 1 p.m. Wednesday at 7 p.m., Friday at 10 p.m. next, a week from now, and then Saturday at 4 p.m.
And all at Starline?
All at Starline.
All right, great. Well, break a leg this week.
Thank you.